According to the measure of their angles naman tayo. Kanina sa length tayo nakapokus sa sides. This time sa angle naman. So, the first one is the equiangular. Equiangular is equal to equilateral. Sabi natin kanina sa equilateral, how many congruent sides do we have? 3. Now, sa triangle class, anak, kung ilan yung congruent sides, ganun din yung bilang ng congruent angle. So, meaning, ang equilateral ay equiangular. Then, why? Because if we have 3 congruent sides, we have also 3 congruent angle. And that is equiangular. All equilaterals are equiangular. And all equiangulars are also equilateral. So, based on the given, we can say that angle A, angle B, angle C are congruent to each other. Why? Because the measure of the given angles are the same. And what is the sum? 60, 60, 60. What is the sum? Very good. 180 degree. The measure of the interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So, the second classification is the acute triangle. Okay, o review tayo. What is the measure of acute angle? Yes or Jean?
90 degrees below.
Okay, very good. Less than 90 degree. Meaning, hindi tataas ng 90. Okay, acute angle or acute triangle. All angles of a triangle are acute. Example, what is the measure of angle A? How about angle B? And angle C? O, lahat po yan ay hindi tumaas ng 90 degree. Meaning, angle A, angle B, and angle C are acute angle. The third one is right. Right muna. What is the measure of right angle? 90 degree. So, meaning, para masabi nating right triangle, may isang 90 degree. And this is an example of right triangle. Based on the given, ano kaya yung right angle natin? Angle A, very good. Because this is the symbol for right angle. Okay. So, right triangle, the triangle has only one right angle. And that is angle B. Now, the parts of a right triangle is, we have the legs. So, when we say legs, kung ano yung segment na tumama sa right angle. This is the right angle, si angle B. Okay, therefore, the legs are segment AB and segment CB. And the remaining part, the remaining side, is what we call the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, this is also the opposite, katapat ng right angle. Okay, para hindi kayo malito, basta kung ano yung katapat ng right angle, that is the hypotenuse. Okay, so angle B is the right angle of the given triangle ABC. And the last is, what is the last? Obtuse. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle, a triangle has one obtuse angle. Based on the given, by the way, what is the measure of obtuse angle? More than, but less than? Very good. Meaning, 91 degree hanggang ano lang? 179 degree. Okay, based on the given illustration, ano yung right obtuse angle natin dyan? Si angle B. Very good. So, angle B is an obtuse angle. So, any question, class, about the classification? This time, let us proceed by the angle sum theorem. Again, what is the total of the interior angle of a triangle? Always 180 degree. So, lahat ng angle na nasa loob ng triangle ay equal to 180 degree. Ang tawag doon, anak, interior angle. Bakit interior? Kasi meron din po tayong tinatawag na exterior. Okay, saan ma-identify sa exterior? Magkakaroon po tayo ng exterior kapag in-extend natin. Ito na yung exterior natin nasa labas.